This Halloween, we have an amazing opportunity by using AI because periods like this open up doors for the people who take action. I'm gonna show you examples and how much money those people make out of these examples. So we're gonna be using this occasion, but in the same logic, any other occasion in the future, Christmas, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Animals Day, whatever, to use this extra interest of people for this period to make some money. For this one, you don't need experience, you don't need to have an audience, you just need to have the appetite, like with every other idea presented on this channel, to do the work. So I'll present to you the steps you need to follow, but you need to walk them. So if you're ready, I'm ready, let's do this. So let's go to Etsy and search for Halloween hoodies. You're gonna see a ton of different products with beautiful designs, but some of them are really simple, right? Like this one, spooky, or this spooky season, and specifically this one will shock you. So if you open it up, you're gonna see that this one is being sold for $67. Crazy, right? It has more than 100,000 sales, 113,000 specifically. And if you do the math, you're gonna see that this item alone has made more than $7 million in revenue. That's revenue, right? The profit depends on the profit margins you have. And equally, so many different designs like this one. A simple bad design with $17, making more than $700,000. The same with this one, being sold for $48. That makes more than $600,000. And you can do the same exercise with every single design that you see, so you can understand the interest of people, what you love as well, so you can add your own flair. And I'll show you exactly how we can use AI and a platform that gives us the opportunity to sell those items without having an inventory, without having to ship them personally to the customer, and without even having to pay anything to create this infrastructure. So let me show you how you can do it. So I will get any design like this one that I prefer to have as a reference, right? As a basis to create something. I will go to Google Nano Banana, upload this image, and ask it to get inspired by this top seller hoodie of Etsy and come up with an even more impressive design. Now you can make it even more specific. Say for example that you want a specific quote on it, and I wanted to make it popular enough to potentially sell millions of items, right? And you can see that Nano Banana will give me a short description of the elements that it would like to create. You can adjust it, and if you agree with that, it will come up with a concept like this one. Midnight Harvest Festival looks really cool for me, right? I don't want to change anything at all, so I will ask from Gemini to give me the design alone. I will download it from here and then head to Printify, where you have more than 1,000 different products, and you can start completely for free to create your own catalog of products. So I will go right here in the catalog, search for hoodies in the men's clothing section, and find something that has a full stretch design like this one. So I can really adjust my design in a way that looks like the ones that we saw on Etsy, right? I will upload my design right here. Select different variants in different colors, black, ivory, butter, neon violet, whatever. I will add my logo right here. I will use the remove background tool on the top left. As you see, you can do the whole thing here. You don't need an external tool. Adjust it, stretch it out like this. Choose the variants that look great. I mean, neon violet looks great. The light blue looks great. So you can choose whatever looks good. Save the product and instantly Printify will create different mockups. You can see them here in the mockup library. You can remove whatever doesn't look good in your eyes, right? To me, everything looks great. I will save it. You can see the preview here with the modeling mockups. So normally you would need samples to find some models, make a photo shoot, or do it yourself, but now you can have everything instantly created for you. So you will use the pricing tool to understand how much this normally is being sold, right? You have the pricing tool on the top bottom. You see that normally it's around $54, so you can understand if it's too high, too low, or a fair price. And you can see right here that even if you put it for $40, which is a very competitive price, you get $16 as profit. This is 40%. Most e-commerce stores out there do not make that money out of a single sale. And you have the opportunity to use Printify without owning the product. All you do is add your creativity and you have endless products to sell. So here you will see it right here, published. So all you gotta do is connect your Etsy store that obviously you need to have already. So you get approved by Etsy and start selling and being searched by people with the new items that you created within 5 minutes, maybe less. Now, we're not done yet because not everybody loves Halloween, right? So I will ask from ChatGPT to come up with some concepts, some quotes that will really resonate with this group of people that do not love or hate Halloween. So the anti-Halloween humor might be a goldmine, and I haven't seen many designs around. So maybe you might find a group of people that can resonate with you. Let's see how many that would be. If you go to Google and ask, you will see that 1/3 of Americans avoid Halloween. Guess what? This percentage is even bigger in the rest of the planet, right? Because most people don't really care about Halloween. So why not go the other way around and create a concept that will resonate with those people? So check these ones. Introverts don't trick or treat, no tricks, no treats, no thanks. I like this one, right? So let's take this one, go to Google again, to Google Nano Banana, and ask it to create an anti-Halloween design for people who don't like this period. With a quote, no tricks, no treats, no thanks. Create it along with a design that would look great on a hoodie. And seconds later, I get this design. No tricks, no treats, with a big X on the pumpkin. Or this one, no tricks, no thanks, right? Quite straightforward that this is an anti-Halloween concept. So we will get this design again, only the design, and go again to Printify and follow the same logic. You can use it on hoodies, t-shirts, blankets, decoration items. I mean, there are more than 1,000 different items you can choose on Printify, so you will follow the same exact logic. And the best part is that you don't have a limitation. You don't have a limitation that you need to create only one product because you don't have money to have more samples or to get more stock. You can have as many variations, as many products as you want. So you will follow the same logic, publish it, and either sell it on your own, on your pop store, so your Printify e-commerce store that you can create for free, or connect it with Etsy and then appear on the searches that people do in Halloween. Check it out, check how it looks on your mock-up design. Absolutely beautiful. And we're ready with both the Halloween lovers and the Halloween haters in less than 10 minutes. Right? How does it look? Let me know in the comments if you're going after that. And if you create these products, please share them in the comments so everybody can see them, and why not start selling in the comment section. So after creating the products, the biggest question from many people is how do I sell that stuff, right? How do I start getting my first sales? And trust me, because exactly most people have this question, not many people do it still. So it's relatively easy to start, but still most people will not do it because they will be like, okay, how am I gonna sell? How do I do marketing? I don't have an audience. I better not do it, right? Or they might create a product, list it on Etsy, and that's it. Never try to do anything again. It doesn't work like that, right? So a great way to start is understand the searches, right? So you can use a tool like Keyword Tool.io. Go right here that says find keywords, select Etsy, and start doing researches to understand what people are looking for. So I will go with Halloween right here, and you can have an understanding of the searches that people are making, right? Customs, decor, home decor, Halloween t-shirt, Halloween and cat, Halloween and ghost. You can have an understanding of what people are looking for. Now, you can obviously pay for a paid tool if you want to do more, but even with that, as well as with an AI tool like Perplexity, you can do some research and understand the dynamics, right? So that will help you in terms of what products you will create, but also how you will list your product in terms of description, keywords, the details that you will put in your product. This helps a lot in the searches so you can start appearing higher, right? You can obviously start running some ads on Etsy. Everybody can do that. Selecting a specific audience. You can obviously start creating your own content on TikTok, Instagram, but this will obviously take some time before you start getting some hits and views, especially if you're chasing Halloween, which is just around the corner. But you can do that. Practice and be ready. Christmas, Easter, summer, and every single season you come up with a different concept, with different products, and you become a machine that captures those trends, right? The other great idea that you can do, especially with the anti-Halloween tribe, is go to Reddit or Facebook and create a group that will be on the opposite side, right? You will create a group on Reddit, right here, that says create a community that could be anti-Halloween tribe. And start inviting people that hate that and start having discussion, posting memes about it, and obviously your products as well, right? So people who relate with that would definitely wear something like this. Do the same with Facebook. Create a group for people that don't like Halloween or don't like Christmas, right? In 2 months from now. So be creative in the way that you promote, understand who you are addressing, what those people are doing, and how they would potentially relate with your products. That's how we find demand and become part of that demand. And that's how we make money online, which is the same as with every other business attempt. So let me know in the comments, are you going after that? Like the video if you find it valuable, means a lot for this channel. And until next time, simply hustle.